Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. I'll never ask you to pay for money, for anything, for all the information and all the stuff that I share on this channel and on the blogs. If anybody asks you for money, for anything, know that it's not me and you're about to get scammed. And all the scammers are always in the comments box. So you'll see them with their fake promises and stuff. So be careful, guys. Talking about scammers, that's the topic of today. We are exposing how these fake gurus, fake mentors, fake whatever make you believe that they are the best traders in the world and that you must join their programs, you must join their signal services, you must join their groups and stuff. And usually when you go into these groups, it's a whole different game together, and you are wondering what happened. This guy on Twitter, on Instagram, on Telegram, this guy is always showing these perfect entries and things like that, but in the group people are taking massive losses, people are blowing their accounts and things like that. Yeah, you must understand that it's business, and usually the marketing with forex mentors, forex gurus, usually the marketing is not what it is. It's just marketing. They just want you to sign up for the group, for the robot. You must sign up for the system, you must sign up for the signal services and things like that. That's why I am not at the point of offering such services. One, I do not like to scam people. Two, I don't think it's fair. You must allow a person to learn the information, give them the information, and hopefully they can learn to trade on their own and things like that. I believe in more empowering people, not taking money from people. And yeah, I'm not saying signal services and robots and things like that are bad or forex systems are bad. No, they are not. The problem is only when people make it so good that they hide their true intentions. Many of these forex mentors, some of them, if not many of them, of course they are good mentors out there. They are good classes, forex signals, forex systems, forex robots. I've seen a lot of good forex gurus, forex mentors and things like that. But many of the guys that I've also seen, the guys just want people to sign up for their signal services, to join their groups and stuff, and once you pay that sign up fee, you're done. You're just a product to them, and they're only after that money. So you sign up, you pay a joining fee, and when you join that group, they will tell you that you must also join using their forex broker. And you joining through them, joining this broker through them, they also get affiliate payments. So for every person that they attract and make sign up with this broker, they get paid. It's actually totally legit. It's not like it's bad business, but it's actually legit. The problem only that I find exists when your forex mentor is only making money from selling the courses, selling the signals, selling the lifestyle, from affiliate payments, and he's actually not trading himself. That's the problem. If your forex mentor, your forex guru is not doing the actual trades and is actually living off your monies that you subscribed and things like that, that's where my problem is. So how do they get you to sign up? That's the purpose of this video. So how do those Instagram and Twitter and Telegram mentors actually fake their entries to entice you to entice you to sign up and join their groups, their signal services, their courses, and things like that. So let's get into today's video. This is in one of the Reddits that I follow. So this guy explains how your forex mentors are actually faking everything. So let's watch the video.
On here, just going to show you how they fake the entries. I guess you guys are like really interested on how they fake these entries. So I just entered a
I'm hoping that is audible and the screen is clear, so I'm just praying that it's recording sound. Let's continue.
trade. This is a demo account just for example, but it can be done on live as well, which I don't know the incentive.
I think that's a good point to mention there, that this faking can be done on demo, but importantly can be done on a real account. Usually when your mentor swipes the side and you see that yellow real account that everyone wants to see, because people are now clever. People now know the green demo and they don't want that. They want to see the yellow real tag here. So this can actually also be done on a real trading account. So open your eyes, keep your eyes open, watch out for these scammers.
They could do it live just to you know, have the real tag, so when they pull it here it looks live. Also, just to know, when they do this, when they actually go here to close the trade, it's not going to register the profits because it's.
So you get that. Even when your mentor swipes here and it's a real account, but the actual system that he is using is actually sort of playing on his cell phone, not on the broker's servers. So even if he opens a trade and he closes a trade and closes trades and it shows you it's real, of course he has got a real account, but on the server side with the broker on the side of the broker, this trade does not exist. This trade, this Euro USD buy, does not exist with the broker side. Of course it's a real account, but currently on the broker side there are no entries there. These entries are only playing on your mentor's cell phone, and he will be swiping to show you that it's a real account.
Fake. So this isn't a way to like steal money from brokers or anything, because it's client sided, it's not server sided. So whatever you're doing here is affecting what's seen on your phone and not the actual broker servers. Right, so we know that the entry.
So this is kind of the system that they use. I'll try to get an idea of the name of the system that they use, but if you know the system that they use, you can always leave a comment in the comments box below.
This is just a thing that I was doing before. Right, so if we know the entry was this, right, and we want to make it perfect, so let's do it perfect, like, I don't know.
I think this is the important point that you need to watch. So you look there, the person is looking for the perfect entry, the most perfect entry, which is how they get you to sign up. These are the fake gurus, the fake mentors, and the scammers. Of course, people who have devoted their time to study forex and can also do this. I'm not saying everyone out there is fake, but there has been a lot of fake gurus, fake mentors, and fake traders just getting into forex. That's why people now don't trust forex trading. But there are still Indeed, there are still good mentors out there, good systems out there, good robots, good indicators, good classes, good signal services, and things like that. Just open your eyes and watch out for the fake ones.
We're gonna make it look perfect as possible. So 17333. So 17333. We're gonna freeze that. And
see, so the entry that was there is now moved down here. Can you see that? I'm hoping you can see that the entry that was there is now down here, so that it looks what? Impressive. It's now an impressive entry.
as you see, the entry has been changed just like that, and you know, they don't have to have this thing here. They don't have to have it. Just take the screenshot, put the stop loss there, just change the screenshot, and it looks perfect, right? It looks perfect, right?
See, so with this system, you can basically fake entries, and of course you can swipe here and people see that yellow real account, of course in the background with the broker servers, even if it's a real account, but there is no trade registered there. The trade is only registered on the phone. And so here you post this on Instagram, on Twitter, and you look at this and you think, wow, I found the guy that knows how to trade forex, so let me sign up with this guy. Whatever he's charging, $500 US, $200 US, $1,000, because this guy, his entries are always what? On point. Sniper entries. Again, I'm not saying there are no people who can trade like this. They are there. You just have to find them. The good forex meters and the good forex traders and the good signal providers, the good robots, the good indicators, the good signal systems and things like that. But you also need to be aware. This is just to make you aware that open your eyes, don't just go. I think I once joined one signal group where the entries that he was posting in the groups and the screenshots he would send us were totally different, and we were wondering why were we losing money when he was entering the correct trade. Then we realized that something is amiss, and even after you pay that lifetime mentorship money, then they tell you that there are too many people in the group, or they tell you that something has happened, we have come up with a new strategy, or maybe they tell you that you guys have been leaking our system, you have been leaking our strategy, so now we are starting afresh. They find some reason to make you pay another supposedly lifetime mentorship fee or lifetime signals. So basically they are just living off your subscriptions. The moment they realize that they are running out of money, they make up some kind of excuse to make you start afresh. So they they tell you that we are starting another group because there are a lot of brokers in this group. There is a lot of people in this group who did not pay for anything. So in order for us to continue, everyone must start paying again so that you get put in the next group. That's the tricks of these scammers, and they are not living off the monies that they are trading. They are living off the money that you are giving them. For example, I was in a group where we were, I think we were 10,000 or so members in that group, and every person had paid, I think, $40 for these signals. The only reason that I had paid that money was it was so cheap. Usually these guys charge $100, $200 and things like that. So I thought $30, I think it was $30 or $40 thereabouts. So I thought no, let me just get into this signal group. I want to have a feel of what are people taught, what are people shown in these groups, why are these groups so popular and things like that. uh, and very much soon I discovered that no, if you take these $40 subscriptions and you multiply them by the 11,000 of us who were in the group, you do the math. The guy has made a killing. The guy has made a killing. And I think we were 2 months into that group, or was it a month? I don't know. That's when they came up with this excuse that guys, you have been leaking our system, you have been it was a strategy, you have leaked our strategy, so we are now starting a new group, we are starting all over. If you still want the forex signals, you have to join this new group. We are abandoning this group. Of course I didn't go with that other group, so I just let things be, because I made some losses with their signals, and I figured out that I'm pretty basically profitable on my own, so why do I need to pay somebody for their signals? So I can assume that a lot of people from that group went and joined that other group on this supposed special rate. I think it was $30 or $25 or something. Then you multiply that again by around 11,000 people. The guy has made his money. He doesn't need to trade. He's just making money off people. So this is how they get you to sign up, and they get you into the scheme. You just basically
And that's how we do
fake
it.
the trades. So yeah, I hope this has been an eye-opener if you're considering joining signal series or finding forex metals and things like that. I'm not saying there are no good forex mentors out there. I'm not saying there are no forex gurus out there. I know people who have dedicated their lives to learning this skill. So I will not tarnish their names and say that everyone is a scammer. No. There are good traders out there. You just have to find them. You have to just find them. But this is just to say, but keep your eyes open. Everything that you see on social media is not true. Not everything that you see from these gurus on social media is true. Some of them are just faking it and making money off the members. That's it. Subscribe, leave a comment in the comments box below, like this video, visit the blogs. Until next time,